This video from Sharp Help, we're taking a look at the XEA207 and how you can double check recent transactions you've processed on the till. So 207, if you're familiar with the machine, you'll know that it's a single roll machine. So unlike a double roll machine, you can't lift up the printer cover and have a look at recent transactions on the journal roll if a customer's claiming to have been overcharged or there's been some query on a transaction. What you can do on the machine, there's a neat little feature using the EJ view button here. If you press that when you're in the reg mode and outside of an open transaction, it'll bring up the last transaction put through the till. So you can see it's got the counter number at the top, the date, time of the transaction, and basically it's an exact duplicate of the receipt. So you can arrow down to see the subtotal, the total, the tax, all the information that would have printed out on the original receipt is on there, and you can look at the last 10 transactions. All you do is keep pressing EJ view and it jumps back, so that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's just sales and refunds, but it will show them all on there. Can't go back any further than 10, 11. So that might have been the 10th one, so that's the final one. So you can go back 10 transactions. So it's a neat little feature to have on a single roll machine. So if there's some dispute on a recent transaction, you can at least go back and have a look there. When you're done with the EJ view button, you simply press the cancel button here and the till turns to the normal screen. So yeah, hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the XEA207 and other Sharp registers. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so feel free to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.